Friends, welcome to Bank Exam Cafe, and in today's episode we are going to see few more questions of 1 marks. This is the part 9, and previously we have uploaded 8 parts, and the links of all these 8 parts are provided in the description box. I request you to watch all these 8 parts so that you will get an idea that which type of questions will be asked as 1 mark questions and how to deal with such questions. Friends, I also request you to download the study material from the description box. Now let us move to the first question of today's episode. Friends, here is the question on the screen. A number chosen at random from the numbers -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, what will be the probability that the square of this number is less than or equal to 1? What is the probability that the square of this number is less than or equal to 1? Friends, here the given numbers are -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and 3, and one number is drawn out or one number is chosen. Out of these 7 numbers, any one number will be chosen out, and therefore the total outcome will be 7. And what is the probability of the square should be less than 1 or the equal to 1? So we will take the squares of this number. -3, its square will be 9. So it is neither less than 1 or nor equal to 1. -2, its square will be 4, so it is not less than 1 or equal to 1. -1, its square will be +1, and so it is equal to 1, so this is favorable outcome. So favorable outcomes will be -1. Then 0, its square will be 0, and therefore it is less than 1, so this is favorable. So 1, its square will be 1, so it is equal to 1. And then 2, its square will be 4, 3, its square will be 9, and therefore this number will also not be favorable because their square is not less than 1 or equal to 1. So here, friends, the favorable outcome are 3. So favorable outcomes, that is equal to 3, and the probability of getting a square of these numbers such that it will be less than or equal to 1, that is equal to favorable outcome divided by total outcome. So it will be 3/7. So 3/7 is the required probability. Now friends, let us move to the next question. The question is that if the circumference of a circle and the perimeter of a square are equal, then find the relation between the area of the circle and the area of the square. Friends, it is given that the circumference of the circle and the perimeter of a square are equal. So what is given? Circumference of a circle is given by the formula 2 pi r, and the perimeter of a square is given as 4a, sum of all the 4 sides. These two are equal, it is given. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and therefore a, that will be equal to pi r upon 2. Pi r upon 2. That is a. It means the side of the square in terms of r we are getting as pi r upon 2. Now we will find the area of the square, because we have to find the relation between area of circle and area of square. So area of square, area of square. How do we find area of square? We find it is side into side. So side is what? It is pi r by 2. So it will be pi r by 2 multiplied by pi r by 2. Side into side, that is equal to area. So here we can write this as pi r into r as pi r square. Correct? Pi r square. And this will be pi by 4, that is 22 by 7 into 4. So this will be 2 2s are 4, 2 11s are 22, and so this will be 11 by 14. So it will be 11 by 14, and pi r square is what? It is area of circle. So area of a square, that is equal to 11 by 14 times that of area of the circle. So here if you take the ratio that area of circle upon area of square, area of circle to that of the area of square, then that will be equal to 14 by 11. And since this ratio of area of circle to area of square is 14:11, therefore area of circle is greater than that of the area of square. That is the relationship between these two areas. Now let us move to the next question. The next question is that the curved surface area of a cylinder is 264 square meter and its volume is 294 cubic meter. Find the ratio of its height to the diameter. So friends, here it is given that the curved surface area of a cylinder is this and its volume is this much. So we will take the ratio that curved surface area of cylinder upon volume of cylinder, then that is equal to curved surface area is 264 and volume is given as 924 cubic meter, and this is given as curved surface area, that is equal to 2 pi r h upon volume of cylinder is given by pi r square h. So here h will get cancelled, pi will get cancelled, 1 r will get cancelled, and you will get this ratio is equal to 2 by r. And therefore put the values of curved surface area, that is 264 upon volume of cylinder, that is 924, which is equal to 2 by r. And therefore r is equal to 2 into 924 divided by 264, and therefore r is equal to 7 meter. So here we have got the value of r, that is the radius we have got, and so highlight this. Now we will find the diameter, because we have to find the ratio between the radius and the diameter. So to find the diameter, we know that 2 pi r h, that is equal to 264. Curved surface area is given as 264 square meter. Now here this will be 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 7 into h, which is equal to 264. So this 7 and 7 will get cancelled, and therefore h is equal to, this will be 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, then 11 2s are 22, 11 1s are 11, 11 2s are 22, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, and therefore h is equal to 6 meter. Highlight this. Now what you have to do, you have to find the ratio of the height to that of the diameter. So height is 6 meter, diameter will be 14 meter because radius is 7 meter, and therefore the ratio of height to diameter, that is equal to 6 by 14 meter. So 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6 and 2 7s are 14, and therefore that ratio is equal to 3:7. Now friends, see the next question. If the common difference of an AP is 5, find the value of A18 minus A13. Here the common difference is given as 5 and we have to find the value of A18 A18 minus A13. So A18 is written as A plus 17D minus A13 is written as A plus 12D, but since we are subtracting, the signs will change, so it will be A minus 12D. So here A and A will get cancelled. 17D minus 12D, that will be 5D, and D is what? It is 5, so it will be 5 into 5, and which is equal to 25, and therefore the difference between the 18th term and the 13th term is equal to 25. Check the next question. If the circumference of two concentric circles forming a ring is 88 cm and 66 cm respectively, find the width of the ring. There are two circles, one and the another. These two are the concentric circles, and the circumferences of these two circles are given, and we have to find the width of this circle. So it's very easy to find. So what we will do, the circumference of outer circle, minus circumference of inner circle, that is equal to 2 pi r1. If r1 is the radius of the outer circle and r2 is the radius of the inner circle, then it will be 2 pi r1 minus 2 pi r2. Now here take out 2 pi as a common factor inside the bracket, r1 minus r2. The radius of the outer circle minus radius of the inner circle, that is only the width of the ring. That is the width of the outer radius minus inner radius, that gives the width of the ring. So this will be the width of the ring. And now this is what the circumference of outer circle is 88 minus circumference of inner circle is 66, and therefore 88 minus 66, that is equal to 22, that is equal to 2 pi into bracket r1 minus r2, close the bracket. So 2 ones are 2, 2 11s are 22, take pi to this side, so it will be 11 into 7 by 22. So this will be 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, so r1 minus r2, that is equal to 7 by 2, and therefore the width of the ring, that is equal to 7 by 2 meter, that is 3.5 meter. Highlight this. Now see the next question. Now the question is that volume and the surface area of solid hemisphere are numerically equal. What is the diameter of the hemisphere? It is given that the volume of hemisphere, that is equal to surface area, that is surface area of hemisphere, that are numerically equal. It is given that. It means the units are not taken into consideration, only the numbers are equal. So volume of hemisphere, that we calculate by the formula 2 by 3 pi r cube, and the surface area of hemisphere, that is total surface area, curved surface area plus the area of the circle, so that will be 3 pi r square. So here pi and pi will get cancelled, r square and r square will get cancelled, and so you will get r is equal to 3 3s are 9 by 2. So the radius is equal to 9 by 2 radius of the hemisphere. We have to find the diameter of the hemisphere. So diameter is twice that of the radius. So if you multiply by 2, 2 will get cancelled and you will get it as 9. So the diameter is 9 units. We are just considering the numericals, so we don't know about the units. So diameter, that will be equal to 9 units. Friends, here we will stop, and I hope that you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.